of this month's box is Boxycharm Make Waves. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the price of each and every item like so. And my variation number is 2. So let's go ahead and open the items in this box. So the first item we have is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I've tried the Glam Glow Peel Off Mask and my skin is very sensitive to it, so I'm curious to see how this will be on my skin. So I will try this later on. Next up we have the Color Setting Shifting Pigments and Eye Luster Cream Shadow, and this is from Ciate. The next thing that we have is a lipstick from Dose of Colors. And let's see what else there is. Oh, and the Alamar Cosmetic blush set, I believe. And of course it's locked. It's okay, I'll go ahead and open this in a little bit. And what is this? This is a brow definer by, I think the brand is called Mellow. But that is all the items in this month's box. A little bit, not gonna lie, it's a little bit lackluster, but we're gonna go ahead and open these up. So for the eye pigment glitter, we got the color Cupid, which is a pinkish purple with like little gold reflexes, if you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that. So here's Cupid swatched on my hand. Again, it's like a pinky lavender hue with a little bit of gold reflex. It's gonna be great if you're doing inner corners, highlight, or maybe even a small halo eye, just for definition. So there we have it. Next, from Dose of Colors, we have a matte lip, I believe, and it's a corally shade. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the giveaway. Alright, so for Mellow Cosmetic, we have a brow definer in the shade Taupe. It looks like that on the skin, and it's actually kind of nice. And from Alamar Cosmetics, we have a blush palette. I'm gonna go ahead and also put this in the giveaway box. So this is the entirety of my box. Again, I'm gonna be giving away the Dose of Colors and the Alamar Cosmetic. That's gonna go ahead and go in the giveaway chest. And these 3 items of the 5 is what I've decided to keep. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the giveaway vault. And this is just a collection of things that will eventually be built up and given away. So we have some Tarte, we have some Tatcha, Cover FX, Pure Cosmetics, some stationery, because Lord knows we all need that. You saw these in today's box, the Dose of Colors and the Alamar Cosmetics. And I forgot what this is. Appeal lip gloss. We got some, I think, eyeliner. Yeah, eye pencil. Some highlighter, nails. And this is just gonna keep growing, guys. So keep on watching and look forward to what else will be put in this box. Alright, so the entirety of the box retailed $108. Again, this is a $21 a month subscription. So you're kind of getting a better deal because you're not going out and buying the items individually. So that is it for my review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and look forward to my future videos, because again, that giveaway box is just going to keep growing. So I hope to see you guys in my next video.